good morning. I am sorry I am so late this morning. Yeah, wow, Monday. Let's get this light up on me. I can't see very well. There we go. All right. Wow. Okay. Let's mix things up a bit this morning. Hi, my name's Kristina Reese. This is Creating with Kristina. Welcome to my channel or my page, depending on which way you're watching. I'm either Facebook Live with you or you're watching this on the replay with YouTube. Okay, I want to make a card today that kind of shows you how we can use different paper from different paper packs to create a card today. All right, so we're mixing it up a bit. I'm really excited about this. Oh, good morning, Kim. Good morning, Dorothy. Sorry I was so late this morning. It's all good, right? It's all good. All right, so I have paper from different paper packs here. I've got the Plaid Tidings, I've got the Artistry Blooms, and I've got the Fall, what is this, Beautiful Autumn? No, Gilded Autumn. That's what it's called, Gilded Autumn. All right, so we're going to use this really beautiful paper, and the great thing about Stampin' Up! Is that all their paper goes together. If it's got Cajun Craze in it, which is our base color today, you can use any paper from any paper pack that's got Cajun Craze. Or colors that go well with Cajun Craze. So we have color families, and even though this is not Cajun Craze, it does have the Mango Melody up here, which goes well with it. So we're going to use this. Yeah, so we're going to have fun today. Hey, Debbie, how are you? Yes, you finally caught me live. And good morning, Linda. How are you? Let's get started on this card. Oh, before I get started, we're talking about fall colors. So that is my number one favorite thing about fall is the fall colors and the foliage, so like pumpkins and acorns and leaves. My question to you all today is, what is your favorite thing about fall? So put it in the comments below. The first thing we're going to do is get the pieces that we need. So we're using Very Vanilla, and that is our card base this morning. Then we also are going to have a Very Vanilla strip, and it's 1.5. Actually, it's a slight bigger than 1.5. It's 1 5/8. And then we also need a layer, and this is my Cajun Craze, and it's 4 by 5.5. The first thing that we're going to do is take this layer and we're going to run it through an embossing folder, and this is the prettiest embossing folder. I love this. This is so great for fall. The leaves, the trees with the branches, and so I've already done it to save time. You see that? Yeah. And we're just going to glue that right on there, but before we do that, I want to put some ribbon over here on the side. Now this ribbon is from the Evergreen, what is it called? Forever Greenery Forever, I forget which one, but it's a part of that suite, and this is the softest, you can't even feel it. I wish I could make you feel it through the screen. The softest ribbon, and it's so flexible, love it. And it's a pack, and it comes with the gold twine. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put this ribbon right on the card right here with a little bit showing on the edge, and just, whoops, keep in the camera, and keep it, just tack it on the back, and then we'll tie a knot right there. So let me get out my, excuse me, my tape runner. Oh, Dorothy loves the cooler temperatures. Amen to that here in Texas. Whew. Amen to that. So I'm putting a little just adhesive there, not much, and like I said, I'm just going to have a little bit of the Cajun Craze kind of showing on the side there, maybe 1/4 inch. Okay, and then tack it on the back and get your snips. I just had them, there they are. Whoops. Oh, I need to get a new pair of snips. I've used it so much that they're not cutting ribbon anymore. All right, now that I have the ribbon on there, I'm going to take another piece of the ribbon. Whoops, too little, sorry. A little more than that because I want to tie it in a knot. I could have done that with that, but it would have been difficult. You could do a bow also. I just Thought a knot would be easier. So get under there. And we're just going to tie it. So nothing fancy. And I'm going to lift it up a little bit. There we go. So we just have a simple knot there. Now you may want to trim the ends off now that you've got it. And you may want to tack it down right there. So let me get a glue dot. And I'm just going to tack that down. Get my piercing tool to pick a glue dot up. And here it is. And I just pick a glue dot up with the piercing tool and stick it under there. There we go. And then just smash the knot down. There we go. Now it kind of stays in place. That's better. All right, second, so that was our first step. We ran through the embossing machine and then we put this ribbon on. Now, the part that I was telling you about, we are using all this fun paper here. So I have this set from last year that you can still get in the catalog. They carried it over, so some of you may already have it gathered together. Love this stamp set, this beautiful fall. It also has a die set that coordinates with it. Whoops, and the piece that I need is not one you to pick up. And so I'm using this maple embossing leaf, okay? And I'm just taking that and I'm cutting out 3 leaves out of this paper. So I did the plaid, I did with the gold emboss on there, and then I did this piece here also. All right, and we are going to put that on the strip. Here it is. All right, and we're also going to stamp. So let me get all this extra paper out of the way. Oops. Kind of going everywhere here. All right, put that back behind me. All right, there we go. And here's our strip. And the sentiment is Seasons of Thanks. So I have quite a few thank you cards to send out, mostly to you all. You all have been great with your ordering. I so appreciate it. Those of you who ordered using the host code, I'm sending out a thank you card with a little gift inside to say thank you. So this card is coming out to one of you guys. I'm not sure which one yet though. All right, here we are, Seasons of Thanks, and I'm using the Cajun Craze because that's my main color. Oh, and also this is a photopolymer, so you need to use like a piercing pad or a foam mat to give yourself a good flat surface. And we're just gonna pop that right there. Okay, Season of Thanks. Such a pretty stamp set. Love it. All right, now to put the cute little leaves on here. And of course, we have to do them with dimensionals. Where are my dimensionals? Goodness gracious, I do go through a lot of dimensionals. I gotta open another pack. Or the dimensionals I were using are up here on the desk somewhere and I just don't see them, but no biggie. No biggie. All right. Oh, that's a pretty plaid for fall also, the one on the back side. Yeah, I love plaid tidings. As a matter of fact, I've got a card class coming up in September where you get half a pack of the plaid tidings. So you may want to sign up for that card class just to be able to have half a pack of plaid tidings. All right, so we have this one and we can put it like right. And so I'm centering right there, okay, and kind of tilting it to the side. And now this one is the plaid, and I think I'll put it, let's see, that way or that way? Yeah, that way. Okay, and we'll have this one go in this way. And, come on. This one going this way also. All right. So we have all these leaves. Yay! Pretty, aren't they pretty together? I mean, you're going, this is like Artistry Blooms. This was a bright color pack. You wouldn't think that we really could use it for fall, but it does. It works with it. the plaid tidings, of course, has lots of colors in it. And then here's our Cajun Craze. And at first you think, oh, that Cajun Craze doesn't really go, but it will once we put it on our card. So here we go. It's going to go right there. Isn't that cool? But first we need to put this on our card base. And because this is it's got texture to it, we embossed it. Use liquid glue to hold it down. The tape runner would work okay. The problem is there's just so many places where the tape runner won't stick to the card because it's going to be lifted up where the embossed areas are, where the glue will get in all the grooves and everything. Oops, putting it on upside down. Okay, and like I said, you just center that on there, and it's 4 by 5 1/4, so it's going to give you a 1/8 inch all the way around of the card base showing, which is so nice. It just frames the card. Come on, stick. Did I not get enough glue back there? I might not have gotten enough glue back there. There we go. Okay, there we go. And our finale. Boom, right there. That is such a cool card, huh? And once again, I'm going to use glue because of the embossed Cajun Craze. There we go. That was pretty fun. I love it. So easy. Happy fall, y'all! Season of thanks. Thanks y'all so much. Just a quick recap. Oh, I was going to put some sequins on here. I forgot. Whoa, let's finish it up. So because this leaf had some gold in it, I picked up the gold enamel dots. I love these. These are perfect for fall. And let's just put some big ones and some little ones. Let's see, we'll put a big one there and get a couple of little ones. And this comes in 3 different sizes. It looks like I've already used up all of the itty bitty ones and I only have these medium and large ones left, but that's okay. One there and one there. So there's 3 there, and then I want to balance it by putting some up here, okay? And I'll just put 1 large. Let's see, where are we going to put this? Yeah, that'll work. And then 1 little one, or littler one. It's a medium one. And we can put that right there. Okay, there we go. Now she's finished. Be sure to let me know what is your favorite thing about fall. And you all have an awesome rest of your day. Let me pull myself back over. Oops, there I am. Okay. Playing with my machine here. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. Tell me what your favorite thing about fall is. One more thing that I want to remind you is if you have not signed up for my newsletter, please do so. There's lots of great stuff coming out and tomorrow. Plus, I always give a free card tutorial. So you all have a great day. Bye-bye.